Before you begin, the door must be prepared for the specific function of the lock. Refer to DP202 and DP328. Remove the adhesive backing from the UL plate. Place the plate on the inside face of the lock case, carefully aligning the holes. Then, insert the lock case and fasten it in place with the provided screws. From the outside of the door, insert a spindle into the lock case. Now place the outside lever rose subassembly on the spindle. From the inside of the door, insert the other spindle into the lock case. Now install the inside backplate using the 2 provided screws. Do not compress the door by over-tightening. Now install the lever. Use the provided strap wrench to rotate the rose about 20 degrees or until it clicks into place. Secure both levers using the provided set screws and hex wrench. Be sure to fully tighten the set screws. Once the set screws are secured, test both levers for correct operation. Before installing the turn knob, throw the deadbolt, then use the 2 screws to fasten the rosette to the door. Retract the deadbolt, testing the operation. The turn knob must be vertical when unlocked. Next, install the lock cylinder by partially inserting the key, then using it to rotate the cylinder. Do not use excessive force as this could cause the key to break. When the cylinder can go no farther, back it out until the keyway is vertical. Now tighten the cylinder yoke screw, located in the edge of the lock case. Use the key to test the operation of the deadbolt. Then use it to retract the latch, checking for proper operation. Install the face plate with the 2 provided screws. As a final step, ensure that the door latches properly when closed.